Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into systems of equations and we're tackling the challenge of solving systems with 2, 3, and even 4 equations with 4 unknowns. I know many of you are already familiar with this concept, but consider this a power up to refresh your memory and brush up on those problem solving skills. Before we jump in, let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more videos like this. And while you're there, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more math adventures. All right, enough chit chat. Let's get solving. Consider this system of 2 equations with 2 unknowns. To solve it, we multiply the first equation by -3, so it will be -3x minus 3y equal -6. And the second one will not change, so if we add them to get rid of y, they will be equal -3x plus 2x equal -10. So x equal 10. Now replace it in any equation. So for example, in the first, it will be 10 plus y equal 2. So y equal -8. Next, let's solve this 3 by 3 example. To solve it, we need to look in each equation and try to find a variable with same coefficient. So we add or subtract them. So in this example, if we subtract the third equation from the first, it will be 6y minus 3z equal -33. Next, we multiply the third equation by 2. It will be 2x minus 8y plus 2z equal 36. And if we subtract the second equation from this one, it will be -9y plus 7z equal 57. So let's take these two equations of 2 unknown and solve them to find y and z. We multiply the first by 6 and the second by 4. They will be 36y minus 18z equal -198. And the second minus 36y plus 28z equal 228. So if we add them, we will have 10z equal 30. So z equal 3. Now replace the result in the first equation, then y equal -4. Now go to the main system and replace y and z in any equation, and the result will be x equal -1. Now let's move into this 4 equation 4 unknown system, and to solve it, it will take a long procedure, so let's start. We need to eliminate a variable, so try to solve for the easiest one. And I choose to eliminate the z, so multiply the third equation by 3, it will be as follows. And the fourth equation by 4 to get the following equation. Now, if we add the fourth with the third equation and we add the first 2 equations with the 2 equations that we calculated before, we will get the following system. Next, we multiply the third equation of the new system by -4. So it will be -28x minus 68y minus 4w equal 112. Now subtract this equation from the first one, the answer will be -11x minus 30y equal 49. Next, multiply the first by -17 and the second by 4. So the answer will be as follows. Now we add these 2 equations to get -13x minus 46y equals 79. Then we multiply the first equation by -13 and the second by 11. So we will get the following result. Then add them to get y equal -2 and x equal 1. Then go to the main system and replace x and y to get this system. Next, we solve this 2 by 2 system to get the final result.